All right, today we're installing the Scopema swivel seat brackets. We ordered ours from Euro Campers, so yeah. We got the driver's side, we got the passenger side. All right, I had to change because it was hot as hell, but yeah, there is a few prior steps we need to take into account. So yeah, let's get into step one. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. We have the hardware up there and I think some more hardware. Step 2, open up the battery bay and disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Unscrew the nut and pull off the wire. Alright, we are going to be using a 10mm socket to remove this battery bolts. I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery and we're just going to let that sit so we do not set off any airbags. Alright, you're going to need a T40 Torx. You're going to want to take the seat and move it all the way up. And you're going to want to loosen all 4 of these bolts. Then move the seat back and then start undoing the 2 front bolts. Step 4, unplug the electrical plugs beneath the seat. You're going to have to undo 3 different plugs. Don't forget to just pop off all the zip ties. And yeah. So you're going to want to pull this purple latch down and then unplug it. For this little black one, put your thumb in the little black part and then just pull out. Place the swivel, make sure the red lever is on the left, and then swivel the seat and put in all the original bolts back into the seats. Hand start them and then just bolt them down. Alright, now we're going to put the seat back on, but make sure you fish the electrical wires and plugs back through the center once you line it up the best you can. We're going to put the new bolts in, the hexagon looking one in first and then nuts on the bottom. Make sure you do not put the nut one on the top and the hexagon one on the bottom, because if you do, you won't be able to slide the seat. Alright, so make sure the seat is all the way forward and you're going to want to do the 4 bolts in the back connecting the seat to the swivel. Slide it forward and then go ahead and do the 2 front bolts, connecting it together. Now you're going to replug all 3 electrical plugs back in. Put the zip ties back on and you are good to go. As for the driver's side, it's pretty much the same, just you only have the orange and the yellow plugs, not the black one. But you're just going to do the same 4 bolts in the back, move it to the front, do the 2 fronts, same protocol. Take the seat off, make sure you don't damage the wires, clean up with the swivel and make sure the red lever is on the right. And start all the original bolts to the base. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Tighten it back up. Connect the electrical plugs. Zip tie it back together. You can go ahead and reattach your terminal back to the battery. Put the thing back on, and there you have it. That is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do swivel seats.